If you have a photograph or a text message or something on your phone that you want to give to your lawyer to use as evidence in court, what is the best way to get it to your lawyer? My name is Laura Hurd, and I'm an attorney in San Antonio, Texas, and I have been practicing law here doing divorces and probate since 1987. And oftentimes these days, people want to use a text message as evidence of something in court. And oftentimes they will just email it to me, take a screenshot and email it. And we do the best we can with evidence like that, but the best thing to do is to take that document or that screenshot and get it developed into a photograph, like at Walgreens, into an 8x10 photograph. Or if it's a document that is not on your phone, scan it or make a photocopy and take that to your lawyer. Because remember, we have to hand the judge paper. We have to hand them photographs of paper. We cannot hand them a phone or an iPad or something digital. They need to have something they can put a sticker on, mark as evidence, and make copies of and hand to the other side.